Metro Police are apologizing for a complete 911 failure, and tonight the cause of that problem is still unknown. Good evening. I'm Denise Valdez in for Paula tonight.
And I'm Dave Crevassier. Of course, that has some worried. It could happen again. Vanessa Murphy is reporting live at Metro Police headquarters tonight. Vanessa?
Dave and Denise, when you call 911, you want someone to pick up immediately. But yesterday, that did not happen despite a new multi-million-dollar 911 call system. And for that, Metro Police are saying sorry.
Yesterday's unfortunate event is not representative of the kind of service that we want to provide, and is definitely not what the public deserves. And for that, I'd like to apologize to the community.
Assistant Sheriff Tom Roberts admits there was a 911 failure Tuesday for about 6 hours. People calling for help received busy signals, calls were dropped, and some callers may have waited 30 to 50 minutes for an answer, according to Metro Police, while calls were rerouted to North Las Vegas and Henderson.
I know we have received some complaints. I know our call takers last night when we began dispatching calls again. I know there were some very unhappy citizens.
It's unclear what impact the failure may have had. But think about a call, for example, for domestic violence.
It can escalate very quickly, and so every single second counts.
Hannah Brooke works for Safe Nest, which helps victims.
It's already a very volatile situation, and so if they're picking up that phone because it's a life or death situation, then it can honestly mean between life or death.
Roberts says the department does not yet know how many callers were affected or what caused the failure, but foul play has been ruled out.
Well, that was definitely a concern for us last night with everything that's going on in the world today.
Roberts says the 911 call system was upgraded and redone in December, and it will cost taxpayers more than $7.5 million over the next 10 years. He says it needed to be replaced because it was old technology. Back to you.
All right, Vanessa. So if they really don't know what's wrong, theoretically, it could happen again, right?
Well, Roberts says he believes it's unlikely that it would happen because there is more staffing, there are more technology people looking at this. But again, as you mentioned, we still don't know what caused this. Reporting live, Vanessa Murphy, 8 News Now.
All right, thanks, Vanessa. Well.